Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a payment gateway on Hostinger website. Now first of all head to this website hpnl.hostinger.com, and once you open this website make sure to log in with their account as well. So once you're logged in, on the left side you will see multiple options like home, website, domains, horizon, email, VPS, dark web, billing and marketplace. Now go to this option which is called billing, and once you click on billing just scroll down and you will see these three options. One is subscription, second is payment history, and the third one is payment methods. So you can just click on directly like get subscriptions, and it will redirect you to the page where you can just buy the subscription. Otherwise just go to this page, first of all payment methods, and from this section as you can see like the payment methods, the available balance, click on add payment method. And once you click on add payment method, now as you can see like this is the payment method which is available for me, which is like a Visa card or the American Express or the debit credit card for me. But you might see some other options like PayPal or any other payment method which are supported in your country for the HPNL Hostinger as well. So you will see all those options. You can just fill in the details, and after that you will be able to add your payment method in Hostinger website. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.